Murebe wa TV Sto Murunji twakutanjera wasiba kurunji eshaha nibiri z'ekiro kandi nizoba rya Sunday ebiro bitano ebyo kwezo kwikumi omwaka ogw'2025 neshaha eyamakuru agacencwire kandi agutwakurundane rizoberi orukuzaga ku sound Elias Rutugusa hamwe na Lois Gava oworumo rw'obubonero bitutakaga kuretire ombwijire reka tworece ebikure byija bgebembire.
Emitwe y'amakuru ne kushikibwaho
yatunjira umugisha ubwo kwendera umwaka 2025 n'ekitereke cy'umwaka kurw'umu rwanya mahembe sako ekiruhaha bwa buri yomwe kandi kirumwe bihembo nkente embuzi enkoko shukari omuceri
Yelanji wa Global aleta wenjawulo ku bisenge tulina Global Silk Vinyl asigibwa munda Global Weather Coat asigibwa ebweru ne Global Mat owazisiringi.
Gacencwire kireki government etandikire kushumbusha babinjirwa mu itaka rya Mpocha umurika kumiro
baturenda government direct etuyambe
abeje banyakishoja SS muri mitoma besharinjire bayose cyombeko cishomero.
The male candidates commanded a strike.
Minister Peace Mutuzo na yenda bamasaba okora mu kutungura obugisu.
Emitwe y'amakuru yabane kushikibwaho
yatunjira umugisha ubwo kwendera umwaka 2025 n'ekitereke cy'umwaka kurw'umu rwanya mahembe sako ekiruhaha bwa buri yomwe kandi kirumwe bihembo nkente embuzi enkoko shukari omuceri
Yelanji wa Global aleta wenjawulo ku bisenge tulina Global Silk Vinyl asigibwa munda Global Weather Coat asigibwa ebweru ne Global Mat owazisiringi.
Tonjera kutanjera eshaha ni amakuru agacencwire kandi agutwakurundanira izoberi oruga kusyaho nde Elias Rutugusa hamwe na Lois Gava oworumo rw'obubonero. Government okurabira mu State House and Corruption Unit batandikire okushumbusha abantu abarukurenga mu 13 ababinjirwa mu itaka rya Mpocha omuri district ya Kakumiro omwaka ogwarukumo rw'endacenda n'ebiri.
Umwaka gwa 2092 mu kwezi kwa kana abantu abarukurenga emitwaro 3 bakabingwa itaka ryabo omuri Mpocha kandi abandi government yabatwara mu district sinka Kabarore Chenjojo Kagadamu na Kakumiro
yo kuringa ni cyenzi
abantu abantu bagiranga umwaka 2009 bakaza mu court kandi umwaka 2013 court yaragira ko barihirwa ahabwe ibintu byawe byasisirwe abantu bagiranga bakaferwa ibintu byingi nabandi baferwa magaragabo
Karuga Mpocha ibintu byanjye ko nabwe nakasira babyo bakabyosa nare umuntu byona nabisigaho babyosa ibipira by'amarwa byawaraje babitwara cyane wara nagenda nazanyabweya iyo nagumire neshara yona
tukaba twondekire batubinga batushenyera batwakanita rero batubinga mwene yituri kubona kwaturashaba ngo government tuyambe.
Milton Katabazo rukura barugire Mpocha barukutura mu district ya Kakumiro nagira ngo bakaraho umuntu akunyingi kandi rutaro rukasiga abana babo bari imfuzi no kubasiga batine kantukona
abana bamwe abasigaze bamwe murari bahanuya abana abazire babo bamwe bakafereyo abandi bagwa hamihanda abandi bakafera mu bwampu kandi umuriro kugwagurosya tihine kintu na kimwe kitwihireyo ko hataga ibintu renda kubitwara aheru ecyo babakoraga abasirikare abatop red babe kwataga bagarura mu nju bazitekaho umuriro bazosya
ngene biti turi kumuya tinyi ndinkaba ndi nabana n'abana ndi nabo onkabuti tinyi ne bujambo twaturenda government direct etuyambe
bwanywe kusinga umushango gw'umwaka 2009 kote karagira ngo barihirwe ibintu byabo kandi ngo bikirizinga na government ukubashumbusa na miliyoni mukaga buri muntu ubwa hati State House and Corruption Unit batanikire kushizime inkarara z'abantu aba ukwetegereza y'abantu bobonye n'abashimire kutunga sentezi
hazamo ubutashemererwa abantu baza mu government yacu mu kujya ku verifyinga kumanya abantu abo bariyo nibaha abo bakaza mwenga mu abanyampocha tibabagayo bakabingwaga mwene rizoba government ije kwetegeza kumanya abantu ababinjirwe mpocha nibahe bariyo obati bariyo
nkati mu government nkabe ndetanga ngo mu myaka y'ebintu byanje binabintu kozire ntekanirize mu bikambe saho government etusumbushe netu twebintu abo ko abantu bona bafire bamwe bakafuka abandi bafuka bataburire nabintu byabo ezo sete twine myaka nk'ikumi umushango tugusimbira mu government ngo baratusumbuza tibatusumbuza nyana ndasha mu government etkwatire okusinga kuko umuntu arabona kandi abirayi n'ibintu byeye
haro habagurisa barokushaba ngo government erausiye kubaha sente zabo batakisirwe naku
ngenda mu government akasente kandi myaka yanje iyi niyo buzarwa nkazarwa kubigwe na 3 nyine imyaka 9 ndi no gwacenda n'ibiri
gasha kwa Thomas tumwebaze
webare Thomas tumwebaze twagumuzamo na namakuru polisi erumune higabo kizishumiro eryanya Chishojo Secondary School omuri district ya Mtoma bwanyuma yabeje kuteka kwa kesharingo ahabwo mushomesa okutera umweje mugenzi wabo.
Polisi mu district ya Metoma erionero ndabamwe habeji abanyashoza Senior Secondary School omurure Metoma abesha aringere bakosi abumwe haburaro bw'abojo no gushisha bumwe habintu byishomero.
The candidates of Senior 4 and Senior 6, not girls but the males, the male candidates commanded a strike last evening.
Barahore barutire babyata barukurumba bishimwe nabo bije babe joining abo batangiye kushisha ibintu bishumwe konka tugerezeho mu cebwitu n'abasirikare abo tubetwine twatera amasasi kugira ngo tubadispassing so all boys majority bibirukire bashoboye heru
abeje nibagirango mushomesa wabo Deustria Singura atwire na abatera ngo rwitinjoka kandi ubwanyuma yo gutera mugenzi wabo barugira mu mbera
hari umwana wa Senior 6 umwana wa Senior 6 bamwita Kafende John abe nazaci yungu kwatemere yiza Cheres arotishana bamwita Tisha Deus yamubuza ntorga hejesha yaje ati nyuwe nango mara wado ngwarire atapana tinkarire atuwarire rikukumbi ati garkai umwana yagarkai yaza kwenda senteze kugura katogo kabe narga kugura katogo ya kobe naza kugura katogo yamutangiza yamutere bitoni umwana yaje nyine yaje chikopo chesa kama
takumanya bayembekire classes now can I say I'm going to surrender because goons have decided to destroy the school? No, we have to fight until we put the situation right.
Abyo kwerinda baragira bakozireki hamwe no mushomesa Deustria Singuro resere byo nabyabaho okwereta bucarakara ha polisi.
Because you are still eating from your father's food. You wait tomorrow, you will stand on your own. When you are in school, you will drop out. In the community, you will see. You will start crying. I wish I knew. We will remember this place. And this one here who are pretending they are innocent. You are innocent because you are not today.
Master Yagam, I'm here to assure you that the school will continue working normally. Whether it is one student, whether they are 2, whether they are 3, we shall continue working normally.
Ubwa hati shomero rukingirwe nubwo abasine yakanane ya mukaga barakwetebekana size buzo. Umugandi State Minister w'enshonga z'umunda y'ihanga General David Muhozi nashaba baturo kwatanisa na government okunyweze nkwatanisa n'entunguka ebyo wegeso mucyanga cyabo.
But I want to add, and I think the headmaster talked about it, we need a decent place for students to eat from. I saw that shack. It's embarrassing, and the earlier we embark on doing something, the better. They need a hall where they can do their functions.
When you give to God, He returns. He rewards you more and more. ngakakana kwake kutwara 10 chomwe chi10 a miliyoni emwe nacho nachihereza. Give to God.
Miliyoni binankaganisha tunzuzuru kwetengwa kumaririza bwombekeji konga mukoro gubarunda le miliyoni zo kuri 10 hamwe na za siminte ziragana sibwe.
Yantwara ni korana we finance commission ya local government finance commission. Thank you. Now they them 1 million cash. Mobile money accounts, please. You get my number and you send this matafari onto that. Very obvious what I want to put. It's like a tafari in Uganda. Because we must change this environment something better.
General David Muhoza birarya mukorwa kurundana sente za bwombeka y'uburaro bw'abishyi no kujaguza imyaka 5 y'ishomero rya Mbara Secondary School.
We have worked on the foundation, we have raised the wall. Now our challenge still remains casting the slab and then we proceed. So that's the reason we are invited.
You can be academically excellent, you can be a great sports person, but if you are not disciplined, you will lose it. So keep it up and do not shift your dial.
Gashakwa Ben Muhozi hamwe na Sandeke William.
Mwebare abanyamakuru bitu twagumizamo Minister owechikura chabantu Peace Mutuzo ayahananjerize abagisu okurgo muntaro bakatamana mukutunguro bukama bwabo. Minister Mutuzo abira ryo muruterane orwesu rwe bugisu Royal Symposium kandi rubertebekanisibo bwebembezi bwa omukuka owabugisu na nekigendererwa echo kureta hobumwe na nenkwatanisa omukutunguro bugisu.
Ortera noru rukorirwa hari Mbare Resort omurimbare town kandi ruretabirwa bebembezi ba district ya Mbare abakuru b'amadini ku rugo mahanga nka America, Zambia, Nigeria, Cameroon na mufiti wa Uganda Sheikh Shaban Ramadhan Mubaje. Umukuka wa Bugisu Sajud Mike Madoma ari kugambaho n'abantu be ayorekire ngo nurwo ruterane ruru kubanza kuyashutamo mu ntebeji kandi arikozera n'ekigenderwa cyo kureba ngo yabwa n'abamasaba bona baganira habyo kuretaho entunguka omuburi Bugisu.
Developments are propelled by government other discipline. We the Bamasaba people. We must spire. We must spire. And this is the day. That's why I call you here this hall. Put you here all. We talk together. We give ourselves. We are going to proceed for the seas so that everybody must impart with some level of responsibility.
Ogunagira ngo hatwiraho butikezana konka hati naenda barujyo mu ntaro bakwatanise kutungura obumasaba.
Bamasaba. Today, we must have the covenant with me. Are you hearing? Yes, I'm masaba. I want to promote masaba of put backwards. We must make a covenant with the constitution so that we are no longer the same.
The wise men.
Ndio amasaba no kuba kwa yuramu uziaba kuroba ya no miterese atenga umukuru wanga akana huko ya keke fuba byo bateyo bari nayo kamwaka mama sababa
Minisita Mutuzo asimire umukuka ahawe kweta rutera noru kandi ari n'amatsiko nuruza kurugamwe cyo mugasho. Omurutera noru aba National Drug Authority bahire box za Mama Kids owa umukuka okwera bakaza barukuzarira hari umushozi.
When you are seeing that whatever you never before has been wasted within no time, what are we supposed to do? Is to say no to substance and drug abuse. Parents stand boldly and tell your children to stop using alcohol.
Gasha kwa Nagude Fatuma.
Webare Nagude Fatuma okutusyaho agarukurgo muri mbare twagumizamu aba Ankole Farmers and Traders Sacco bahire abantu abamabona hele center ya Kashatu ebitanda bibiri omu district y'Isinjiro aba nabahaye ubuhwezo ubu omarwaro ubwe barukwetebekanisiza okujaguza emyaka 25 eyibasiyombahereza obwabikoguzi.
Ankole Farmers and Traders Sacco werukwetebekanisiza okujaguza emyaka 25 ibahize omubuhereza bwabika oyiguze bahire bitanda bibiri ab'irwaro lya Mabona Health Center 3 omu district y'Isinjiro.
Tija omwanya ogu gwa Mabona Health Center 3 tija kusima abantu bitu aba Isinjiro in general kandi habwo bahagize bwanyu mwe bari kukunda
Ntare Faruk orukwebembera irwareri nagirango ebitanda ebahirwe okutoreza hamwe byakonja kubahwera omurimo g'obujanjabi.
Mazima batukore byamane nebebare batobutanda bwo kuzarraho batapampa na sabuni z'abana twenturetapa abana bafutunyara abana batogize mwene mazima batapampa na sabuni
ebyo bitanda nibija kusavinga buri muntu wena owo muri Mabona nanga district y'Isinjiro so twasharama tubaretere bitanda ahabo kusasibwa abakazi abo kuzara
kira bakabe biziro mu office ande bakujana nginde kitwa barete konga kore farmers kusanga marete bitande very expensive tukuja abantu barware bije bajyameho but at least warwara wakajira huwazi bituna makuzara amini kurwara ukazara umuyitakakizi
tusima abantu ninga timu ya Ankole Farmers and Traders Sacco okutereza ebitanda okutereza drip stands okutereza ebintu ebikojesha omuka ninga ebintu abakyala binenda baheza kuzara ebibakojesha
Oyihiraho okuhereza irwarere bitanda bibiri abakazi abashangirwe omwirwarere baheza kuzara bahiro nabo obwezi omusabuni na pampa z'abana babo.
Kushanga umuntu wena najango reka tkoreke Ankole Farmers yagizereta yakoze so n'abaratandike kindi nibisha kuba batandikira rimwe kaze cyo nkibongera izina niyo muri Isinjiro town council nyine mwamezi nkamushanje konka hine ndisha sakwebe yachikoze rete so ncho kwaja munimbe sims
amakuraga gasha kwa Christopher ahimbisibwe. Ankole Farmers
webare Christopher ahimbisibwe umurebe witu wa TV Sto Murunji ni kusima aho turebera hona kandi webare na nukutorana okureba TV West yo makuraga cenchire kongo tucize tubase kubantu humura ukacentu jagaruka na makuragandi agarukurataho abakempungo muri Mbarara City North bahirwe ambulance okutungura by'amagara
abantu bitu bwerara buri kukirabira yikwasize ubwibiri na yikwasi umukinyi
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
Skylight Hotel, restaurant uhereza bwo murembo muri Mbarara City. Ahi barukereza breakfast, ngakatogo, omelette, Rolex, shumbusha, chapati, chai yamate, eyo mukaru, akatunda ko murembe nebindi.
Bineona chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi hangwe. Nibateke nkoko, embuzi, ecanyanja, muchamo, obushaza, akaru, ekitoche, echozi, emondi, greens, obutura, eshwiga, kande cyo kunywa. Nichigenderaho.
Hey, manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe. Aha bei nunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City. Breakfast ne yabusha. Bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV, security rije kandi parking ne yemarira.
Bine bara yo murembe. Pool table, sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel neshangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kace aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete. Ijukangu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera note mushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga note mushanje note mukaga 36 36 33
Nyebiti kubyenda
Penkoni
Yakwera utamuyo mu mudu nokora ekikire wanyompenkoni noshumura kushemererwa urubunuzi na nobusinje noenda kuchamuka mpenkoni
igenda yakini cyo kunywa cyonka
mpenkoni ne kwamani uhindiko mushija nyishija mpenkoni ni rukundo n'ubugwaje teri kuteza hangova narisho kuterwa umutwe
sinza kutambura ngashinywede ku mpenkoni ukakasi kwata nawe nywako
tunge chupa yawe hati omumaduka gakuri hihi no mabarago no mwihanga iwo mushubuzi terasi muzitezi
mpenkoni wakinkorire
iwe na Christmas yo mwaka ogu mwine kushayina yetunjira umugisha ubwo kwendera umwaka 2025 n'ekitereke cyo mwaka ku rwumuru rwa Nyamahembe Sako ekiruha bwa buryomwe kandi kirumwe bihembo nkente embuzi enkoko shukari omuceri soda nebindi byinji okwenda kubomwe mu baraye hangurira ekitereke cyo mwaka ogu kiriro mataji gitu nkitaje rukuru erukushanga mu bwizi bwera naganda mataji nkumuri censhama kazo omurembo Mbarara hamwe n'itaje cyo muri banda Arke and N Plaza ahashungine na Kitoke stage oyetunjire account utandike kubika hati rero rebe no hureje kuyakwindukira bugenyi na rwa Nyamahembe Sako gamba nitwe aharuzura mushaje 83 96 23 05 rwa Nyamahembe Sako okweterana nubwo busingi
laba fando kwata fando laba fando tobera fando abera muri skando akola night shift like a candle. He's stealing and robbing and Jonette Waka he's destroying.
Vandalism is an offense punishable by up to 10 years in jail.
Fando, lava fando, fando, kwata fando, lava fando, tobera fando.
Bunyaruguru Development Sako yakuretera ishitereke Nyamurungi ahiburwa mwarije kwangura bwa nyuma yo kugura no kusevinga emyeze 3 kuruga kibanzo ku 10 kutabira na bishatu byo ku 12 1025 otehireyo rere kirako mugisha go kutaha mukazano ko kwangura ebirabonye mwini wasevinga miliyoni 2 n'ishweka ningo kazugura mu imigabo nutungo mugisha go kwangure wasevinga emitwara 5 ningo kazugura emigabo nutungo mugisha go kwangure mbuzi wasevinga emitwara 25 ningo kazugura emigabo nutungo mugisha go kwangure nkoko shukari emuceri emigati nebindi binji nobaharon za boda boda dairy school fees agriculture emergency home improvement water harvest commercial loans nebindi nobashangwa Nyakasharu Bunyaruguru head office kandi bine branch chambra Kitagwenda Ibanda Kagongo Kasese Katungu
Hayes recruitment experts jobs abroad n'amashemerwa mingi nabatabarusi yabona abafuna visas bakatambura kandi benjera kubanyisa abantu mwena ngo imihendo yabo ebachazire mpaka miliyoni 2.9 mega discount byona biwire harimo visa air ticket emishana mirungi munonga okora cha Kenyonyi omu Dubai emiromo nkaba customer service airport security aviation stewards check-in agents, landing grounds guides, and aircraft cleaners. Okuhandisa no kwabusha ahamiromo yona ahamataji gabogona.
Esimu note mushanju ina note emwe ibiri ishatu ina itanu mukaga ninga note mushanju ina itanu ninga note mushanju ina note rukumi.
Manager ogito wagito ko kama tumukidara kabatakagiremo MC takiziri DJ atumwe na wiring ebyoma tugumisize shanki ibiri
bantu mareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju tikizana ngo okushara keke ni shamushanju nizeze nyine iyo ni shara keke tukazakunyumbo
na wapenzi yona nesente konga tanywire mbogo nikushekerera nikuteganisa wenda ningende mbogo yoka nembogoka naba murugi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje
kahumuro kandi omakura agacencuira geshwekeki abatura ba Kempungu omurimba City North Division bahirwe ambulance okurugo mu kitongore cha Richa Hand Uganda okubahweraho ombyamagara
omukoro gwo kwakira ambulance ensya omukyaro kya Kempungu omurka komambara City North Division gukurirwa kidikonwa Orsens Mbarara ojwekire Bishop Sheldon Mwesugwa obakwatanise nabebembezi hamwe n'omujocerwa wa President Jacqueline Kankunda
kandi ni shabango abantu ba Kempungu musime muruhanga munonga abo abantu aba nango tibe Kempungu bonka nicwiki cona okugira ngo abantu abizira okora nshonge by'amagara
ambulance ji emaziro miliyoni 130 kandi tirwa hirware rwahirize kombe ku Kempungu okwera abantu bicyare n'ibindi byaro
tukagamba hirwaro twariyomeka bagamba ambulance hana ingamba ko mtuze bankahi bakempunga uko tukantujya tekintu cyo tukora tecyaba abantu ababinijana konka niki nekintu.
I know it is just the beginning. People that have worked and closely watched Richa Hand Uganda know the spirit of excellence with which we execute.
Umuhezi wa RCC Jacqueline Kankunda hamwe na meya wa Mbara City North Division basimira ba Richa Hand Uganda abo kuyamba government okusyo buherezo mu byaro
kandi yebare no kukora ibintu bikwalayininga na programs za president to empowering abana, the skilling. You are actually in line with what the government is planning, so we thank you and salute you.
Twinirwa ruharia ya charwa Uganda. It was a small health center, kakaka yare ngo wa health center 2. It was now upgraded to health center 3. Kunkakina ni deba services ziriya pharmacy, laboratory, reception, administration, maternity na n'ibindi byone. Nareba ngo hateki twagaraka twagita ukiriya abantu bitu mbwena rabure kukira bera yukwasiki. Ubwibiri na yukwasa umukingo.
When you start, it works.
Abatura ba Kempungu basimira obuhereza bwa ambulance obahirwe
Eki watuletera finko makuna kwebaza nyowa amuva kweremuto
mwentu kusima ntira ambulance echo neza kutukora kandi kujya ngo kora bakunbo
nda Aidan Bataringaya
webare Aidan Bataringaya abaziro mu district y'Isinjiro nabashabwa okwebembere huru eyo kurwanisa ebitokoza bonko ombana babo Nathan byanyuma umunyishenjero owabukanga Northern wagambere ebi ahamukoro ogutebekanisiibwe okushomesa eminyeto akaba kariyo mu kukozesa ebitokoza bonko kandi ogubire ahari kigaragara vocational secondary school omu district y'Isinjiro.
Omushumugo gube gugenderire okuranisa ebitakoza bwongo omumenyeto.
6 men, 5 men, 4 men, 3 men, 2 men, 1 man must steer out.
Akaturebereye eminyeto myingi nesisikara nerwo mu mashomero bari mu kuresa bari mu kunyamarwa bari mu kuresa etabe cyaretera abantu bategana munonga imitwe yabo namwe barigire mbaba bagwira
nakura uramumwana tarahishwa uza kuzo mu office wa headmaster kuja takareta gana shilingi igana zishomero school fees mbono kiza kuza kumuchonoza kumuroshanga tache kumwana
abeji bashabirwe kwerinda emihanda mibi eyakubasa kubata omukohibwa
kabe nitero muranga bebembezi ari n'ubushobozi biteka ho buryo bukurwana septo koza bwo bikanyire byabebe yinche
so ubwo muzano bakora konka bazire babireba bamanya ngo hata bazire bace bamanya ngo hatu no kuzo umurimo gw'amani kugunyikira kurenga abana bitu bakora cyo bishukuru bitu abo batazo mbintu ibi
Nathan Bwanyuma omnyishengero wa Bukanga North asimira abazire abukagira ibyo wegese
kamba kwasama badaga shakare yoni njya gumanimo ishomero kigaragara rakayishomero twatandikire durukubi munonga rina n'abana bace munonga abo kusanga tutine facilities nk'amazu g'abashomesa tutine classrooms tutine maize ngo tutine amashanyarazi hako mushomesa na yanangu azo munju irimuka TV mu mashanyarazi
omugande abana b'amashomero baraburwa okwerinda ubutejumbu mu campaign z'ubururu bakasigaho okushoma okushabuku kwahebwayo DPC awambara City SP Kenneth Kabwigo amukorwa kurunda abakuru babebembeza b'amashomero ga senior gaunasa okorirwe ari Intale School aho murembo rwambara
tutaha omumbera ya politics season nishaba munonga students should not be compromised by money. Of course sentence just exam, but as student leaders you need to understand that we need good leaders for this country. So when you only consider money, that means tumurafune bembezi barunje
bamwe abeji abasinjira karuraka borekere okushemererwa bagamba evakuza kutandikiraho
make sure that all schools, developing schools are catered for. And I will make sure that in the constitution of UNSA, they add a tag whereby after leadership of the president for 2 years, they give you a ban of 2 years. You can go through and develop. One of my biggest ambitions, or one of my biggest dreams, is serving the republic by leading the people into doing what is right. That's why I'm so much excited. I'm so much blessed.
What I appreciate those supporting since day one up to this time. I really feel something very inside my heart for reaching up this time.
Amakuraga gasha kwa Anita Tukunda na Elias Rutugusa.
Kare tugumizamo na namakuru Bishop w'ubureberezi obwa West Ankole Diocese Right Reverend Johnson Twenumujuni yahabura beji okwerindo kwahaze mutuma na munongo mbwiro ubu obarumune betebekanisiza okushitamire buzo ebyakamaririzo ebya senior yakana.
Obutumwa bwa Bishop wa West Ankole Johnson Twenumujuni buhirwe Reverend Canon Robert Kancherho aha mukoro gwo kwasarira beje 2017 ba senior yakana abejigana 20 ba senior ya mukaga nabeje 5 nabana bari kushome by'imikono hishomeri yari yakasinga Center for Higher Education.
Kocinga atajiro wigura oherezo mushata jiro
mukuru w'ishomero yari yakasinga che Abel Rushegera nagira ngo abariyo baza kubuzibwa batebekanisiibwe kyerukumara okubara byumbebuzo.
For us as a school, we have done our part. That was required for you to do these exams. Stay determined, disciplined, and focused till the end of your examinations.
Country Robert, and according to what he has told us, he has given us hope, and we have gained hope from him, and we are very confident.
Umuganda beja barukuza kushitamire buzo umwaka ogu ahari kino nagaro zo mu Rwampara behanangirizibwe kukoresa kira kasigireyo kweherera bakagamba na Ruhanga.
Kandi filime yari zoba yagiye kugira ngo tatina abo kwa n'umuriro ariyo nabaza kuzoma mubuzo kuko biro kujima haze bituma iyo mwana uriyo kwa hero abanote akateko tumere naza kuzamuna imbere kamo boro kutina okwicheza kwa kuchengera
okushabo kwakorerwa hakanise ya St Luke Kinoni Church of Uganda kandi kwayebemberwa Venerable Reverend Emmanuel Munyaneza Sabadikon wa Kinoni.
Nagwecho nagwe ntugira ngo ureke kutina abazire bakozera umurimo gwabo government yakora umurimo gwayo ekanisa namaramizo gakora imirimo yago nagwecho ntumango mu kizame cyo kuzakuzamu Ruhanga naza kuba kwini twatuze mu kanisa wano okusima
tatina gashakwa Mike Twachire na Abdukarim Sengendo.
Mwebare munonga abanyamakuru bitu kandi abeja baryo musiniye yakana itwentu bashabira kandi ntubendeza obusinguzi ombubuzo ebumurkache kutandaka. Bishop w'obureberezi obwa Ankole Right Reverend Dr. Fred Sheridan Mwesugwa ayetombuitire government ahabwo kunaje shomero kandi eri government ine mu mukono erya Kashaka Girls okumara ubwire buringwa. Bishop Sheridan nagira ngo ishomereri niryo ryonka omuchange eki yeritakatunga huge chombe ko cha government okwihartandaka.
Bishop Sheridan agambire byo bwabire na hasarabeji ba senior ya kanana senior ya mukaga abarikwetebekanisa zo kore bigezo byabo byahamuheru aharakashaka Girls SS kandi Bishop nagira ngo government obutabaha mikono kiriyo ne kibateganisa.
You are very unique, Kashaka. This is the only school, grant-aided school, supported by government, which has no building from government. The only in Ankole Diocese. You are very unique. So that means that for you, your church, tumwine chokuchikora araba kuija akaja mkanda ha government ekatahechiga mbweni mwe muri yabitu 100% plus.
Ebuzo bya senior ya kana nibije kutandika biri ku byo kwezoku kandi tuburiza abarukwebembera ishomereri okubatebekanisa beje hagati ya kesharingo kabashomesa akariyona kagendo misho
koko kuri abashomesa bitu aba humanities bakabanza bazo mu strike konkitwe Kashaka Girls twareba ngo twataho buryo abana bagumani bashoma twabarondera notes bakokorora bakora discussions mwene tiba missing time munonga
staff egereze gukoragana na administration kuranto mu twashomesa tongera kushaba government etekateka abashomesa ba arts ebonjera kasente nabo bashomese bino muhimbo
omukugumira woku abeji batugambira ko betebekanise
cyo kubanza mbere nishomo munonga ngora za extension gusatunga bege byanje
ati ngakashaka ko yabe yakabero muri imbarana ni yamakumya no mu Uganda hatu ready okujifuye yo kubanza muri imbarana kandi tukagiteka amonya munje munongo mu Uganda yo.
Umuganda Bishop w'ubureberezi bwa East Rwenzori ntashaba bahereza abamakanisa kugarura emenyeto mu maramezo okuburirwa. Bishop abira ryahakanisa yabigura mutawone kansoni yemwe mu district ya Kamwenge.
Washomese kumanya Kristo kubaleta Yesu bamumanye bamwetegereze twaba tutakuza n'inyeto tukaba tumuka bakasa bakeshongora bakashomekeka bakagurira bakegera sabo zabo dokwayo n'abakerera n'ishakaritwideki
omukushaba oku abeegi ba siniya ya kanane ya mukaaga bahasirirwe obwe barikwetebeekanisiza okubuuzibwa.
Grant that they may present the best in the examinations for excellent results.
Senior 5, senior 4, the Viverad. Nabrayo Nikabari. Senior 6 ni 15. Actually, ni 10. Naona Abrayo wana. Bachi mnoga wana ni kanga na mwendaku wetu kacheza.
Kutoka wana kwa tushemeza kuba tukuza kutandika itoka masinefu tukaje kwakira kwinji none wotandikire kirasi na yerinse noja oje mo kutina omuti na yunebu okuja kwa bishop kwa tugaraho masiko kuba yatogisa kuje kugumisiriza kitwe kabana babishiki umugumisiriza umugire bo mission za kufuna ibintu bindi kusinge bakutubiyabisa hato
ndi Stuart Twino Mujuni na Anthony Twine.
Mwebare abanyamakuru bito murebi witu wa TV Somurunji twongera kusima aho turebera hona kandi webare na noktorana okateka ukando kareba TV West Studio makuru agacencire konka noza kutwikiriza tumureho ntujagaruka na nishcweka cyakashatu cy'amakuraga.
Ministry y'Obwegese n'Emizano eri kurabira omuntebekanisa ya Higher Education Students Financing Scheme nejusi yabona abaganyirwe omuntebekanisa yo kushomera hibanja kandi abucabujenye yabire bahirwe yahwireyo kumuhikiriza obujunanizwa bwanyu bwo kushashora roni okurugirira hakacweka akabirneshatu na 26 akiteka eri Higher Education Student Financing Act. Abakozesa ni mwe mwijukibwa kumanyisa ministry ahabantu abaganyiro mu ntebekanisa y'ukushomera hibanja abari yahamirimo yanyu nkuko biragiro birikuragira okwanga kuratera ebiragiro necurugiriraho emitango hamwe na za mutice ebikukiraho tera note ibira note mwenda note mukaga itano mukaga itano naritayira website yitu ahari www.education.go.ug shashuri banja ryawe eri washomireho cebase MP hakurebeka kandi no kwigoro rwiji ahabwa abanda beji abatine cashorera okwika biroto byabo ebyo bwegese obuharuringurwa
Chigarama People Sacco keeps abakugu omukurwana sobgoro okubika sente hamwe no kwereza loans ahanshajinche babaretere kitereche cha Christmas rebe kitereche cyatandikire kandi okutaha omukazano akarkwija kwendera ebiro 20 byokwezi kwikumi omwaka ogu imwe ba members n'abarikwenda kwa ba members mwena numwakirwa okwigura account nishirinjo mutwaro gumwene chweka zonka nuko base kubika no kuyayo sente omumatajaga kanyeganyeje omurishema bwayegamba Nyakambu na Itendero omurishema Butare na Karungu omurbuhweju Mbarara City Ibanda omutauni hamwe na Sanga omurikiruhura district manya ebyo kwangura harmente amabuzi nebindi bingi keeps financial services for all.
Musiko abadomu lwa katoli kundongozi na
nanywedde kano kaado vera chawuda drink kino kigaji kyaffe kyennyini kakindi katyebule mutolo okolola okotyongoka kwata kano
muzeekano bakayita batya
pineapple soda drink kakamuddwa mu nanasi
bojo
mutolo va mu bya bojo tugende tulabe kakiga
bangambye omubiri munafunafu kakiga talina maanyi
kakiga bangambye tolina maanyi
ye naye nenfuna ow'amaanyi butamira ku soda drink n'abawala nabo banywa obutamu
amazina ganje mumpiye Dokasi nindiga kikoti Kiruhura district ninyoza emyenda ningora ntukosa amashanyarazi aga fresh ngatuyamba fresh solar etuyambire munonga amashanyarazi gabo gatunga buzubu mbija bagatereza batatuyiro sente zone ntogezamu
mweniwe oasaruni abamashomero abamaduka abazafamu n'abatunzi b'enkoko banyinamaka abamabara na za hoteli tunga sora ya fresi rero kora amagoba ijuka ngo nibagikushumikira bagikanike kandi bagaruza mekiri kusisikara aho bwabusha free ebiri kukira hotela noti 8 noti hashatu na mukaga hatanu na mushanju ngaga ni 5 eyabusha
norondo mwanya ahubwo aje buri kubugabugana umutindo twakwakira ahari The Arena Villas and Hotel shemererwa umuhereza burungi ubwo mutindo gwahiguru ubwo buraro umwanya guri kuretera wahurira nkoryo muka twine restaurant y'umutindo kandi nitkora coffee y'umurembe hamwe na pizza ako kunywa karungi ahabara y'umutindo ubwo uri kura ubuhumuriro burungi ubwo takarebaga parking ne marira kandi rinze rweje hariho na wifi ahubwo kuba ubusinje bwawe ni kikuru hari The Arena Villas and Hotel twine gardens zo mutindo The Arena Villas and Hotel no hurira nkori yo mukabuzima ni cyangwa enyuma ya Shell Makinke arugudo rwa Masaka gamba nitwe ari noti 3 10 23 nkaga ni 5 ninga noti 2 noti chenda nina chinana ne 2 25
obwengula obulabika obulungi okutuukira ddala ku ttaka erya lanchi eya kitaka lanchi zino tuzirabira ne ku bisenge ku mmotoka ne mu bunyonyi kw'ossa ne mu bisolo eby'enjawulo lanchi eno erungi ya buli kimu lanchi bwe bulamu
okusinziira ku langi ez'enjawulo enkumuliito ze tulina ku Global Paint ye langi wa Global aleetawo enjawulo ku bisenge tulina Global Silk Vinyl asiigibwa munda Global Weather Coat asiigibwa ebweru ne Global Matte owazisiiringi weefunire langi ya Global ku hardware yonna ekuli okumpi.
Global Paint, a reliable product.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
Management, staff n'abeegi ba Bugonji College of Nursing and Midwifery, eri kushangwa Kyamara Rishema District. Abatabarusi abanya-Uganda mwena aha kiro kya 3 cyo kwetegeka kwa Uganda nabamanyisa beegi abamazire senior ya 4 ne ya 6 kukoreje ine myanya okushoma certificate na diploma of nursing and midwifery abeegi nibatendekwa kurungi obo barukwerwa begesa skills lab computer labs beino buraro burungi wabojo nabiki lecture rooms ezhamibwe kandi byo kwerinda nebyamani tuition fees nebasubwa kandi kwakira beja basya applications mushanje Bugonji College of Nursing and Midwifery ebirukiraho tera zuri 200 mwenda 025 man treats but God heals.
Samson Kitchenware bakuretire ibintu byo gukoresha umoko wawe kandi nangwa no mu mahoteli bakuretire cooking dishes bakuretera ne dishes zo kuyamba kusavinga umuka yawe ningasho mu mahoteli bakuretera za frasika ezigumire ezirabasa kubika cyo kunywa ningashe cyo kurya ukumaresha habiri nina no mushobo imwe bari mu business ya juice bakuretire juice dispensers bakuretera ama glass original bakuretera na kitchen electric appliances ibintu byone birakoze sibwo mu kiyungu kandi birakoze bw'amashanyarazi abo baraguze biri original byonka. Samson Kitchenware barashanga mu city yambarara ahari Mbaguta Street for any building opposite na Central Market baraguza kamwe kandi hamwe na wholesale okushubura no kumanya binji 0 05 08 25 02
Mommy, yes?
At school, everyone crunching.
Nange ku mulimu nga nkola. When I'm watching my kazanyo.
Anti ku highway nga mvuga. Sisumagire ekyo shuwa. Honey, mwana muwe.
Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
An incredible 61 years. This is Ndeje SS, and our latest winner comes from here. What confirms that the set it was that day? It confirms that so Innocent is the only fully paid student at Ndeje. Full time.
It is not Yachfere. This is true. And everyone knows that I'm a testimony of Momo Pay. So I encourage each one of you to urge your parents to use Momo Pay, to use everything.
All the Nyamos, all the momos.
Yes, all the momos.
There you go. *165 *80 hash. So try it today, and just like Innocent, you will ask all the momos, all the nyabos, all the pays, everything. We are what? Unstoppable.
Still to come on Crossroads. Quiz's happiness always comes with a cost.
Ezra, tell her the truth. Please, you know what? Shut up.
Don't miss the epic Season 2 finale week from 29 September to 3rd October, followed by Season 3, where everyone is out for revenge. On Pal Magic Prime, stay connected to DSTV Channel 148 and GoTV Channel 303.
Welcome, what's our topic today? Bera Mokirasi. The biggest back to school promotion season 3 is here. Bera Mokirasi. When you buy Focus products worth 16,000 to 24,000 Uganda shillings, you win a bucket or basin. And when you buy Focus products worth 45,000 and above, you win a school bag and lots of other prizes. Move it. All day confidence.
Sayoko mukahumuro tugumizamo na namakuru kandi ageshwe keci abaziro muri Kanungu nabashabwa okwebembera umwuga gwo kwegesa abana babo nguco bahwere okukora bari abana bo buryo.
Ekitambo kya Musa ky'okusima n'okujaguza obusinguzi kyakorerwa ha ishomero lya St. Teresa Girls Churichuta. Father Deus Tweyongere wayebembera miseji yashaba beja biki okugira emico emirungi obutosha.
Reka tuhe ekiconjo ky'obwegese abaana bitu nyensa babone kutuha ebyo ebitugundirire. Together we can. Nisho twahurira omuvanjiri urukana handika nagira ngu let us increase our faith. Reka tongere akwikiriza mutwena tukwatanize tugira bitubasa.
Aha habaho kushaguza okusima no kweshongorera mukama ubo bari kusimira beja bari no betebekana sokore ebyizo bya siniya yakana. Abahona bari no barundana sente zo kugura computer okutungura ebyo bwegese ayishomereri.
I want to encourage our girls. I want to motivate our girls. To go to kugura computers. Tujya hamukorogo kurundana sente zo kugura computers. Konka computers tabazira baragira ki abarazikoze. Computers ni sana.
Then to celebrate the results, then to raise funds for equipping our computer laboratory so as to meet the required standards of the modern education. You can imagine ababana de bashomero muskura, just something catching here and there, but they pass. Equally with those who study in very big schools.
Through St. Teresa, our school has promoted girl child education, thus breaking the poverty cycle.
Abashomira ishomereri baba bebembiro kusimoku kandi bataho umuganda gwa miliyoni 12 okugura computers. Umugandi Bishop wa Bnyorokitara Right Reverend Jacob Atiroho yashaba betsimbere ahantebe zitari zimwe na zimwe okweharo kwejo nsoro rumi orukubaganisa mu abantu.
Confirm, O Lord,
yaba nahaserera beje ba senior ya kana no kutahemuko n'abaronde bari kurenga 500 ahari Kagadi Secondary School district ya Kagadi.
Do you repent of all your sins?
I repent of all my sins.
Then show candidates have started their campaigns, but so far, so good. And we are praying that this will continue. We are praying that this continues until we finish the elections next year. At all levels, we are praying for peace.
Bishop Najangwa Karuru Karondo Musinje hatari mukushishana no kugambirana ebirukucwenta mabere.
Knowing that these are ending here in heaven, when we go, there will be no president, but all of us will go, will be children of God, who will go to worship the Lord. Okay? So as we prepare, as we do practice what we'll be doing in heaven there is peace, there is joy. So let us preserve the peace.
Asomero kuteka emikono abana mu Anglican Communion abana 5 na 5 abatera umukono yayongera bishop yahongayo yaherezayo abakandesi baitu korora mukama yabanabo nko kubagya kole bigezo byabo abasinya karasi ni amka
gasha kwa Hweza Wilfred na Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.
Mwebare abanyamakuru bitu twazo makuru agibye mizano time y'abanyishenjero aba Uganda esinjire ya Rwampara County na goals 3 aharyemwe umuzano gw'umukago wo kuzana rwenyuma abazyo ahacayi echacinone umuzano gubire gutebekanisibwe umunyishenjero owa Rwampara Amos Kankunda.
Timezi zayanira umuzano urimo umupira gw'ebigere okubaka hamwe na volleyball. Umumpake za volleyball timu ya Rwampara County esinjire ya Parliament nobwo babibera harubusha. Umuzano go kubaka nabwe timu y'abanyeshenjero esinjira abarwampara na goro 2016.
Elizaba twagira umugisha twatahisa Parliament ya Uganda teams nkishatu timu yompira y'ebyo gwebigere netball na volleyball. Ogo ejemizano ni promotion ya Parliament kwenda kwika abantu bayo kokeche tukifaga baho wabo ino mwembezi mu wa Parliament ebinabisi abantu muzanaona members wa Parliament muzanaona teams za Parliament.
So I have come as far as the north to the west simply to support my brother Honorable Ankonda Amos, who is a member of Parliament representing the people of Rwampara in the 11th Parliament.
Yeah, the importance of this game, first of all, they bring us together. It's a social event and it connects Parliament to the community.
The truth is, games bring us together. Where you're talking about games, it tickles everyone. So we are here to play for our health.
Umumpake z'umupira gw'ebigere abanyishenjero hona nabwe basinjira ba Rwampara County na gori 3 haryemwe.
Tuja tapinga hansi turabana ko bakuzana tubinkareginga ahabwe myoga ne talente zibine okongera amani omuzano.
Njagala kubebaza nnyo okutulondera mwami Amos Kankunda. Era fe bwe tujja wano tuba tuzze kubakwatirako.
Emizano egi etebekanisibwa omwishenjero rwa Rwampara County Amos Kankunda kandi urukurra akakiiko k'ebyesente omwishenjero ya Uganda.
Okay, tugumizamu na namakuru agandi umuzano eyempaka za lige yihangezano rwenyuma abazi time ya KCCA esinjire abavira na goals 2 aharyemwe umuzano guzanirwa Chayi cha Nambore bo time ya Kitara hamwe na Vipers umuzano gutugubireho bwanyuma ya Vipers okuguma banjere kuzana lige ya season age ahabwa engendererwa honsya eyakozerwe.
a former Kitara, former Viper player. So let's wait and see if he can bring this game back. Iga Najib, one-on-one with the keeper, Charles Najib. Oh, delicious, delicious. The Joko can afford to crawl. And that's exactly what they came for. A fight back with purpose. And they're back in it, real back in it. Goals change games. Goals change how you actually perceive a match. And Iga Najib banging that ball into the back of the net, sending the goalkeeper, Charles Lukwago, the wrong way. It's 1-1 here at the Nelson Mandela Stadium in the Star Times Uganda Premier League. And for the coach, Kovacevic can afford to celebrate. Fails. They're probing and probing. Long ball there from Semakula. Chases Luanga. Straight to the path of Charles Lukwago. Oh, he could not actually wait on that. He had to fall on that one very quickly. Charles Luanga Neymar. 11 goals last season in the Star Times Uganda Premier League. Oh, that's a very good chance for a goal there. The defense was left a little bit flat-footed. And trust me, Charles Lukwago had to come out very quickly to make the save. Wonderful save. And decided to even take on Eno.
Kare agongo makuru agacyencuire agutwa kusyaho ekireki kandi wabanaga kusyaho ndi Elias Ritugusa hamwe na Lois Gava oworumo rw'ubonero itwendezo kurara kurungi.
Eshaha zabishatu zechiro na
You can now get all the Chibuzi out with MTN voice bundles. Call all networks. Kubei Dondoro. Buy a 25-minute voice bundle for only 1,000 or buy any daily voice bundle of your choice. Dial *100 *21 hash and select daily or use the My MTN app.
Ekiri kurataho